Ever feel like you're always chasing after that perfect laundry operation? Everything's running like clockwork, machines are humming, customers are happy.
It's a beautiful thing, isn't it?
It is. But we both know it's not always that easy. And today, we're going to deep dive into one of those sneaky little problems that can throw a wrench into the whole operation.
Oh, yeah, those little things can be real headaches.
Absolutely. We're talking steam valves, specifically the Burkert 112 angle steam valve.
Yes, a workhorse of a valve and a critical component in any commercial laundry.
And from what I've been reading from Consolidated International Corporation, or CIC as most people know them, this Burkert valve could be a real game changer when it comes to efficiency and, get this, reducing downtime.
Downtime's the real killer in this business, right? Every minute a machine's out of commission, it's money down the drain.
Preach. Okay, so before we get too deep into this specific valve, I got to ask you, for those who maybe aren't as familiar, just how important is steam in a commercial laundry?
Well, think about it this way. Steam is what drives almost everything. Heating the water for washing, powering those massive dryers, even sometimes those ironing and pressing systems. It's the energy backbone of the whole operation.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So then I guess a valve that controls that steam flow,
hmm
that's got to be pretty darn important.
It's mission critical. A faulty steam valve can mean inconsistent steam flow. And what does that lead to? Well, longer cycle times for one. Then you've got inconsistent results like clothes not getting properly cleaned or dried. And worst case, you're risking damage to some very expensive equipment. Boilers, dryers, you name it. Not cheap to fix.
Oh, I bet. So it's not just an inconvenience, it's hitting you right in the wallet.
Get on the money.
All right, well, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this Burkert valve again. This material from CIC is really highlighting the durability factor. They're talking high-quality stainless steel construction.
Yeah, and you need that in a tough environment like a commercial laundry. High temperatures, constant use, maybe not the purest water all the time. That stainless steel means this valve can take a beating and keep on ticking.
So longer lifespan, fewer replacements, less downtime. I like where this is going. But I got to be honest with you, they mentioned this 22-way angle seat design, and I'm drawing a blank. What exactly does that mean?
Okay, think of it like a busy intersection, but perfectly engineered for trash inflow, no bottlenecks, everything moving smoothly and efficiently. That's what this valve does for steam. It's designed to ensure that constant, strong flow of steam to all your equipment.
Got it. So no steam traffic jams.
Exactly. And with that efficient flow, you're using your steam more effectively, less wasted energy, lower operating costs. It all adds up. Especially with energy costs these days, that's a big win.
Huge win. And CIC even mentioned something else I hadn't really considered, easy maintenance.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. The simpler the design, the easier it is to keep things running smoothly. Less downtime for maintenance, lower labor costs, and happy maintenance staff, which is always a good thing.
So it's durable, it's efficient, it's easy to maintain. Sounds like a dream come true for laundry owners.
Hmm.
But let's shift gears for a moment. Where do you get this awesome valve? CIC, they're not just a parts supplier, are they?
No, not at all. They're really a partner for laundry businesses. They understand the unique challenges of the industry, and they've got a long track record of providing reliable solutions, not just parts, but real support too. And here's a bonus. This Burkert valve, it's compatible with most existing systems.
So upgrading is actually doable.
Exactly. It's not a rip and replace situation.
Music to a laundry owner's ears, I'm sure. So for our listeners out there battling downtime, dealing with rising energy costs, what's the big takeaway you want them to remember about this Burkert valve?
Sometimes the smallest things can make the biggest difference. Choosing the right steam valve, investing in quality components that are built to last, it can have a huge impact on your bottom line.
Amazing. So maybe it's time to ditch those old valves and give CIC a call. And for our listeners, I want to leave you with this thought. How much could you save in a year by making this kind of upgrade? Something to think about. Until next time, keep those laundry machines spinning.